interrupted with the SVML dispmd DLL blocking your software workflow. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've analyzed the conflict and I'm ready to show you the safest fix. To start the walkthrough for SVML dispmd, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This DLL file is part of the Intel Short Vector Math library. It provides high-performance mathematical functions optimized for modern CPUs, used by engineering and scientific applications to accelerate complex calculations. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. This issue is commonly caused by a broken Intel CPU library installation. Reinstall the latest version of Intel CPU library from the official website to replace the SVML dispmd DLL and related files. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the SVML dispmd file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Using an incorrect or unverified version of the SVML dispmd DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. If you're addressing the SVML dispmd inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for the SVML dispmd today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.